Hi, welcome back to Tom the White Cat's channel. Does anyone miss Tom? This sunny morning, Tom and Jenny are planting lavender flowers. Don't forget to water it so it grows well and beautifully. And Tom read Jenny a book about how to grow lavender. In between tiring activities, Tom plays the guitar and Jenny seems to dance happily. Not long after, the sky became cloudy and it started to rain. They both ran to take shelter. Tom and Timmy are enjoying tea and watching the rain. Any suggestions for the next story? Tom waiting for your answers in the comments column.